according to your fatwa, the Musannif of Sharat Faridi, Ghulam Farid of Chachura Sheikh, he has committed blasphemy. That is my question.
Okay, let me clarify this. Any Salafi, any Wahhabi, Deobandi, Barelvi, name all the groups of Ahl Sunnah, any one of them, if they make a statement that goes directly against the Quran and the Sunnah, okay, you guys have a habit of picking and choosing from statements around the world from different times and places, okay? Because you see, your tatty prophethood of Mirza have to support it somehow. You have to bring stuff from somewhere. And if you don't have it, you have to make up concept. But if, let's say, a Sufi claims to be Rasulullah, let's say we have statements in the books of some Sufia, for example, statements like Chishti Rasulullah. The statements are there, okay? And there are other statements of similar nature. This statement, we don't want to know what they meant by it. Statement is, in itself is kufr, okay? Whoever said it, we don't care whether it's my dad, my grandfather, or my uncle, my chacha, my mama, my mapupi, my tai, whoever it is, okay? Sorry, guys, using for these Pakistani, Punjabi terms because we're dealing with Pakistanis there, mostly Ahmadis, the Qadianis are Pakistani and Punjabis, okay? Whoever says anything like that is outside of the fold of Islam. The zahir of the statement, kufr, we don't care about the majaz and the actual hidden meaning of it. If someone says Allah is an idol, kufr akbar. If someone says Adnan Rasulullah, for example, A'udhu Billah, Thumma A'udhu Billah, or Imtiaz Rasulullah, kufr akbar. It takes you out of Islam. We don't care what you mean by it. We don't care what your intentions are, okay? If something is kufr akbar by its own admission, or the term itself or the statement itself give an apparent meaning of kufr, then it is kufr, okay? So we go for the zahir. In Sharia, we are told to judge by the zahir, not the batin. Batin, only Allah knows. What's inside is only known to Allah. Human beings cannot know. We have laws to follow. I hope that clarifies. So any Sufi, don't bring any Sufis, any Shias, or anything like that for us to follow, okay? If you have nothing from the Quran, the fact that you have to bring statements like this from people like this, okay, or you have to bring fabricated hadith from the attributed to the Prophet ﷺ, shows us that you have nothing from the Quran and the Sunnah. Show me bruzi prophethood in the Quran and the Sunnah. Show me bruzi prophethood from the Quran or the statements of the Prophet ﷺ. You won't. You have nothing. That's why you have to go to Chachar Sharif,